Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10L, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. First of all, you need to access Play Store and install free app called iOS Launcher. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open and wait for the pop-ups. Now you need to click on while using the app or only this time, allow, and finally home button. From here, click on iOS Launcher, then click Always and finally tap on Got it. As you can see, after that, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to, you can always switch between your launchers by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Apps and Notifications. From here, you need to click on Advanced and select Default Apps. Now click on Home app and switch to your default launcher by choosing Quick Step, or try an Apple one by tapping on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!